y'all, it's Brandon with Voodoo Forge. I was busting some wood today, and I realized that my wedge, which I hadn't used in a while, but I hauled it out, it was getting a little mushroomy at the top, and I already had a corner coming off. So I need to dress this and get this cleaned up, so I need to grind this off. So I figured I'd make a video and show y'all how I do this. I'm going to be using the grinder. I'm going to be wearing a full face shield and ear protection. But I want to show you how to grind off this mushrooming. You don't need to leave mushrooming on any tool because it can chip off pieces of steel, which can hurt you. So let's get this ground. Okay, here's the wedge. This isn't anything spectacular. It isn't an antique or anything. I've had this for about probably close to 20 years. It's fairly new made. But the problem is the mushrooming, the little lip there that is showing up. We gotta get that off. So the best thing to do it with, in my opinion, is a grinding wheel. So let's get this ground. I'm doing the same thing on each side all the way around. Last side. Okay, the last thing I want to do is knock the edge off these corners, so I'm going to basically roll it. Last thing I want to do is knock the corner off. Last thing I want to do is knock the corner off, so I'm going to roll it on the stone real quick. Alright, now I'm going to take it over to the belt sander. Okay, basically I'm just going to clean up some of this grinder work where it grinders rough and just smooth it out a little. Okay, here's the end product. The mushrooming ground off and it polished a little bit just to take some of the lines out. It should be a lot safer to use. And that's all there is to it. Well, okay, y'all, that is it. Got those mushrooming ends cleaned off, got a nice taper all the way around, so I won't have to worry about it for several more years. That is the first time I've ever cleaned this up. You could also clean the edges up with an angle grinder. You're not going to take any temper or hardness out of this end of a strut tool like this. So you can grind it, you can do anything like that, you can file it, you can get it hot, and you're not going to damage it, because anything that would have any tempering would be down here, but I don't believe this is hardened and tempered to begin with. But wedges are a very simple tool, but you do need to watch the mushrooming on them. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video and got something out of it. If you like the video, hit that like button down there, and if you would like to see some more videos, subscribe to the channel, maybe watch some of the older ones. But anyway, y'all behave yourselves.